Thank you for watching this video about the Txwv Temple of Leej Niam. This conceptual design of the Txwv Temple is completed and will be built according to the conceptual design seen here. This conceptual design is copyrighted by Leej Niam. No part of this conceptual design shall be reproduced or utilized in any means or by any form, electronic or mechanical, including photocopying, recording, or by any information storage and retrieval system without the written permissions of Leej Niam. The Txwv Temple is a new single-story freestanding temple building. It is 31,359 square feet, type VA, with a 1-hour fire-rated constructions, fire sprinklers, and fire alarms throughout, A3 assembly, and E classroom occupancies, and shall meet or exceed California Building Code, Calgary, Title 24 Energy Compliance, Handicap Accessibility, and 2019 additions requirements. With a 50 feet high rotunda blue metal roofing, together with the building size and statures located on higher elevation of the property, the temple building will be a highly visible prominent structure within the greater Txwv community. The temple is the first of its kind and will be the first building to be constructed on site, along with the roadway, infrastructures, utilities, and the overall site grading around it. It will become the central focal gathering space for the Txwv community. The temple building is comprised of the major worship and gathering area, classroom and conference rooms, and meeting and ancillary support spaces. The temple has 4 wings: a north wing, south wing, east wing, and west wing. 4 wings connect to the center of these structures, which represents the earth. The center is where the worship area and the statue of Leej, our mother, are located. The main entrance is located on the south side. The east and west wing are L-shaped, extending to the south side of the structure, where each wing can be seen on each side of the main entrance. The wings symbolize Leej embracing and loving arms for those who visit and worship at the Txwv Temple. The south wing is a spacious main foyer and entrance. There is a child care room and a set of restrooms for children on the left. On the right are the offices, a closet, and a restroom for guests. The large central worship hall is currently set to house 650 people during special major events and gatherings. The main worship space will be centrally located within the building and under the rotunda space structure. Painted circular ceilings and upper walls of the rotunda space will have the unique natural painted blue sky with clouds. Directly under the rotunda will be a raised 40 by 40 stage platform, 3 feet height, with the mother statue as the main focal point. The east wing is a classroom wing for younger school-aged children and may serve as a future expansion space. The outdoor patio on the northeast side will be an extension of indoor classroom and educational uses. The north wing is behind and adjacent to the worship space. It is the main hall with a performance platform stage for special events such as concerts, ceremonies, memorial remembrance services, etc. The outdoor patio on the northwest side will be an extension of the indoor activities from the main hall. Food and drinks will be served from the kitchen in the west wing. Next is the West Wing. The West Wing is the designated meeting and conference spaces for different types of meeting based on occupants' load and staff offices. There will be a catering kitchen and food preparation space to support indoor and/or outdoor social meetings and gatherings. Central men and women restrooms will be located on both the west and east wing, close to and easily accessible from all major spaces. A separate locker room and dressing room is located on the east wing. The childcare area will have restrooms scaled for use by children. The required bathroom stalls and plumbing fixtures will be calculated from the occupant capacity of the main worship center assembly space. The Txwv temple will be Leej Niam's home, a place where individuals who believe in Leej Niam may come to worship, ask for Leej Niam's blessing, learn Leej Niam's teaching of love, care, and kindness to all living beings, and to conserve and preserve the beautiful earth that Leej Niam gave us. If you would like to donate to support our cause, please donate at our website, www.gainginleejniam.org, or contact us at 209-625-6417 or 715-212-4368. We greatly appreciate your support of the building of the Txwv temple. Thank you.